Hello, welcome to Thursday's Weathertainment. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Don't forget you can follow me at the same name. Make it nice and easy to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, CNY Jeff Matthews. Why Tumblr? Well, this is going to be going into this news and events portion of the home page for CNY Weathertainment. Who cares? Well, news and events tells you what's going on with Weathertainment. Where am I going to? Where have I been? Things that are coming up with Weathertainment, like the fall foliage report being replaced by something that you care about, and I know you do, because everyone asks me about it. It's not this. This is something else you could learn by being on Tumblr. This live stream. It's a free app. You download it. You follow Jeff Matthews. You tune into live weather every day at 5:55. Can't make it much simpler than that. If you miss seeing me on TV, you got it now on your home computer or your cell. You just go to your apps. You download live stream. It's free. It'll take you 30 seconds. You follow Jeff Matthews. You tune in at 5:55. You got weather every day of the week. 51 is the average high, going down slowly by this red line as we approach winter, but way above for today, 62, but mañana Friday, 48. That's frio, my friends, if you know what I'm talking about. Cool wind on Friday over the lakes, I think, means a mostly cloudy day. Saturday, trick-or-treat day, looking good. I've been promising you that, mild and dry, for almost over a week now I've been telling you that. No change to the forecast. He can even tell you the forecast a week and a half out. And it continues to warm up Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. And that looks like a really nice stretch of weather, by the way, coming our way. Meanwhile, more or less, a little more light rain sprinkles tonight. Not so much tomorrow. As far as temps are concerned, mild today, cool clouds for tomorrow. Wind going over the lake. And again, a repeat for Halloween forecast trick-or-treaters, mild and dry. Here are the two storms that have ganged up upon us, bringing us the heavy clouds, the cool winds, and the rain. But they are now linking up into one in eastern Canada. And you can also see, this is the eastern half of the country you're looking at, and we're kind of blotted out by all the heavy clouds. But the deepest blue, even the cayenne blue, is now moving away from us, moving on its present course into eastern Canada. And we're getting into the broken cloud cover here. And if you look really carefully at the water vapor imagery, you can actually see through the clouds two forks of very dry air punching in here. Very dry. So that leads me to think we might see some sun poking through this morning and afternoon, especially south of the Mohawk Valley, but I wouldn't be surprised. Meanwhile, this tail that shows up on the water vapor imagery that you couldn't see elsewhere shows me that there's a cold front coming through. When it does, it'll bring that patch of clouds for Friday, but it'll also mean the winds will be coming over the lake, which means lake effect clouds. Meanwhile, here are the showers winding down from the heavier rain to our north to the showery rains that will continue to diminish with time because this storm is linking with this one, driving the rain north of the border and leaving us with a lot of clouds, but with those two dry slots, I actually think the clouds will erode enough to see some breaks of sun for today. Here's your almanac. I've got your full forecast in just a moment.
Hey, Coach, we need you in the team now.
Yeah, give me a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Hey, Coach, what play are we going to run off the face-off this time?
Hey, I'll tell you in a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
So, your forecast for today, rain early on, then pokes of sun. A high of 62. Tonight, 38 with heavy cloud, maybe a few sprinkles to a cool wind. And that wind will keep the clouds coming from the lake on Friday, breezy and colder. 48. And then a cold start to trick-or-treat Halloween. But I think by the time the kids get out there, it's perfectly fine. In fact, it looks like it'll be a mostly sunny day, a high of 52. Rain at night, after midnight into Sunday morning, but now most of Sunday looks better, at least the second half of it does, and Monday does too. And while I haven't adjusted any of the temperatures, they're still the same as I forecasted the last few days, the sun now looks like it'll break out some point Sunday, but especially Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which looks like a great stretch of weather to look forward to. If we could only get it on the weekend now. Have a great day.